Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. A night out with the boyfriend or girlfriend this time, or soulmate, life partner, baby father, baby mother, booty call, whatever you want to call this person that you're spending your Vday with. Here's a nice soft neutral look for that. I'm surprised at how hard it was actually for me to film this look. I'm just really not used to like neutral looks anymore since I'm so about my drag queen looks lately, but I did have a lot of fun filming it and it didn't take me as long as my looks usually do, so that was another plus because I am so fucking tired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Of course, subscribe to my channel as always. Bye. Good afternoon, girls and gays. So I'm not going to leave my products in the description box, so just try to keep up because I'm too lazy to put them in there, and I'm sure everybody has these products at home. So I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy, I don't know the name of this palette, and I'm taking just a nice transition color into both of my creases just to blend out all of that setting powder that's in there. And then I'm going in with this Anastasia palette and taking this Dusty Rose is the name of the color, like every single Anastasia palette has this color, and I'm putting that right on the outer corners of my crease and then blending it into my crease. And then I'm going to take a color kind of the same, like you can skip this step honestly. I could have just dusted Dusty Rose all over my lid, but I thought that color was lighter. And then on the outer parts of my crease, like the outer V, I just take like a deep purple just to like deepen everything up and really like make it look like an actual makeup look, you know? And then I throw on my lashes because what the fuck. And then I'm using my e.l.f. primer. I really love this primer. It just feels so good. Like it just feels so good going into my skin. I'm like burning up in the sweater that I'm wearing right now. Like not in the video, like that I have on right now. Yeah, okay. Applying that all over the face. I am. Ooh. Okay. Yikes. Alrighty, then taking my Makeup Forever powder just to set my pores and my entire face so it's not oily later on. And then I'm taking my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit and just taking the orange and what am I doing? Correcting my dark spots.
This is your life. You call the shots.
This was supposed to be a Valentine's Day look. I was supposed to upload this like 2 weeks ago, but it never got up, which is the reason that I talked about Valentine's Day in the beginning of the video. But I just made it into like a date night soft glam look because you could really wear this. I wanted this to be a look that you could wear with your boyfriend on Valentine's Day, but you could still wear it like any type of night with your boyfriend. Yeah, okay. Taking my concealers, I used the Fenty concealer first in Suede, and then the second concealer was an LA Girl, of course. Then dipped back into the Anastasia palette to cream contour. I'm letting my concealer cook a little bit under the face, under the eyes, just kidding. Then I'm going to go in and blend all of that concealer out.
It will be fluid and ever-changing.
Guys, I'm moving this Friday and I swear it's like a struggle to pack. Like, I've packed most of the things in my room, but it doesn't look like I touched shit. Like, I am so upset.
Not leave you staring at the empty shell of what used.
It's all good though. I was gonna do a moving vlog too, but it's just no, it's not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out.
When it's right, you will sleep soundly. Your chest will be heavy. Your eyes will not.
Okay, and then blending out my contour. Oh, I am gonna get my vlog up of when I went to Big Bear last week. Maybe not this week, probably sometime next week. We'll just speak it into existence now so that it actually happens. Next Thursday, I'm thinking. It will hopefully be up.
You decide what's it, but when it's not, your whole body, mind, and
then while I was blending out my contour, my freaking eyelash like was coming off, so I just ripped it off. And then I'm taking my Kokie powder to bake under the eyes. also I can't get my nails done until next Friday, even though I was supposed to get them done last Friday. So I don't even know if I want to film anything between now and next week because my nails are not different. You guys are probably like, nobody fucking cares. Okay, for bronzer, I'm using the Queen Collection bronzer. I'm like in love with this bronzer. That's why I did my little dance, because I usually don't use this bronzer just because it's like running out and I'm trying to save it. And then to clean up my make, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Love this stuff. I just want to say that I was using this before anybody else. Just kidding. No, but I really, really was. And then I saw Nikki tutorials using it and I was like, powder's bomb. Okay, just cleaning everything up, deepening my contour up a little bit, getting it nice and sharp on the edges. Oh, this Profusion blush palette, one of my favorite blush palettes that I ever own. Just gonna blush up the cheeks really quick. You couldn't really tell, but I wanted everything to be soft-ish, at least for me. You know, I'm really into my drag looks. This was soft glam for me. Then Fenty Matchstick in Cinnamon to cream contour, cream highlight. And then it's my Ray Ray palette to highlight, of course. Freaking talking about, yeah, I do work tonight. I wanted to stop by my apartment. I gotta take some measurements. Oh my goodness, look at that. The Urban Decay Naked palette, an oldie but a goodie. I'm taking Sin on my inner corner. And then I'm taking my Moon Cosmetics highlighter. I'm so in love with this highlighter. Like, it's just bam in your face. So soft. It goes on so smoothly. I freaking love it. Then I gotta take the hair down. You already know. Get ready to film an intro. Oh, I'm gonna do a curly hair routine soon as well, because I finally perfected my routine. Then only 2 lip products today. My usual Ruby Kisses matte lipstick, just in a brown. You can use a brown lip liner or a brown lipstick for this part, but I just like my brown liquid lipsticks because they last longer. And then on the center, I'm going in with Tarte lip paint. I don't know the name of it. I actually don't even think it's a lip paint. I'm pretty sure it's a lip gloss, but it's just like a mauve-y, dusty rose type color, you know, that all the white girls be tripping off of. And I didn't mean for this look to be monochromatic, but it just came out monochromatic, which was like perfect. And obviously if your boyfriend doesn't like gloss or anything on the lips, then you could just totally skip the lip part and like put like a chapstick or like a regular thinner lip gloss on. And that is the end of the videos, boys and girls. Next time I upload on Thursday, hopefully my life will be more together, I promise. And I'm gonna try to jump back into the routine of uploading every Tuesday and Thursday. If you made it to the end of this video, then you're my favorite person. Fuck everyone else. Like, obviously, comment and subscribe, share my videos, follow my Instagram, Twitter, and don't get too drunk this weekend. Bye.